So let's do a roundup of 2021 first, and let's begin with how the cryptos actually fared this year round. And we've got a graph for you that tells you in just about a year's time what exactly has been some of the sort of how the top coins have actually done. We'll begin with Bitcoin over there. Went from 22 to about 38 lakhs as of this moment. Ether went from 54,800 to 3 lakhs. Nance went from 2,800 to about 41. Solana went from 150 to guess what? 14,270. So all you Solana people there ended up making a lot of money. Cardano also went from 15 to 112. Terra, large Polkadot, Dogecoin had a bit of a story over there, and so did Polygon. Went from 1.5 to 188. So that's been one of the top biggest gainers for the year 2021. The biggest story, I guess, has been the adoption of Bitcoin as a legal tender that took place in El Salvador. It became the first country to do so. That happened, and what also happened was China clamping down on cryptocurrencies, but it did not see the sort of response one had anticipated in a way. When it came to India, it had been a very, very, very interesting year. Indian governments, they considered regulation. We earlier got an old memo out which said it will ban crypto. Then they were all go about bringing in stakeholders. There were meetings taking place. Crypto was being discussed in Parliament, in cabinet meetings, in other forums as well. And Prime Minister actually launched this week itself, the last closing week of the year 2021, saw the Prime Minister launching IIT Kanpur degrees based on blockchain. That is the biggest sort of endorsement we've seen in the past 1 year. If we shift to, talking about blockchain, if we shift to the other tech out of crypto here, then NFTs really, they went mainstream. Average price of an NFT jumped from $25 in January to about $900 in December. India's had some massive NFT dumps as well, from cricketers to film stars to artists, all of them coming together. And then, of course, how can we forget? And how can we not talk about Metaverse? It has been such a massive rage this year. It went mainstream. In fact, lockdown getting into place in several parts of the country meant like a lot of people making memes saying that, well, let's just join the Metaverse New Year party. Paris Hilton will be hosting one, by the way. Justin Bieber performed in Metaverse this year, and there are so many more events that are lined up. DeFi, another major traction point this year. Money on DeFi platforms rose to nearly $260 billion from $19 billion at the start of the year. Look at the jump over there. And over $600 million stolen also, a record DeFi hack. And later, all of that money, as it often happens, or sometimes happens, later returned as well. Another major update was that Taproot was that Bitcoin's first upgrade took place in 4 years as well.